In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use relationships in Tableau, and we'll get through it in just 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to open the Tableau public app. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from Tableau's website. Once you've got the app open, you'll need to navigate over to the data source page. This page is your main hub for managing and configuring your data as you begin your Tableau project. Now, once you're on that data source page, you'll see a blank area known as the logical canvas. This is where you'll start building your data structure. To get started, you need to drag one of your tables onto the logical canvas. This table will act as one of the building blocks for your data visualization. It's crucial to understand that the logical canvas allows you to set the framework for how your data tables will interact with each other. After placing your first table, go ahead and drag another table onto the canvas, this time positioning it to the right of the first table. As you drop the second table onto the canvas, you'll notice something interesting happens. A noodle appears between the two tables. This noodle represents a relationship between the tables, indicating that Tableau has established a connection between them. Next, you'll want to click on this noodle. This is an important step because it allows you to define or verify the relationship that Tableau has created. What's neat about Tableau is that it intuitively suggests common fields that it thinks should link the tables. This can save you time and effort when setting up your data relationships, especially when the suggestions align with your data needs. However, you aren't simply confined to the suggestions Tableau makes. You have the flexibility to specify the exact fields you want to use for linking these tables. This aspect of customization is incredibly useful if you have specific requirements or want to ensure the accuracy of your data relationships. Adjusting these settings allows you to fine-tune your data connections to fit the analysis you plan to perform. So, in just a few steps, you've learned how to connect tables in Tableau using relationships. Understanding and leveraging these relationships is pivotal in creating efficient data visualizations. With this knowledge, you can begin to explore your data in more sophisticated ways. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most of your Tableau experience. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you work within Tableau, the more intuitive it will become. Happy data visualizing.